Data science is a multidisciplinary field that combines statistical analysis, machine learning, and computer programming to extract insights from data. In simpler terms, data science is all about using data to solve problems and make better decisions. Data science has become increasingly important in today's digital age, as we generate and collect vast amounts of data every day. Businesses, governments, and individuals are all looking for ways to leverage this data to gain insights and make better decisions. So, for which field is it important to learn data science? The truth is, data science is relevant to almost every field you can think of. For example, in healthcare, data science can be used to analyze patient data to develop more personalized treatments and improve health outcomes. In finance, data science can be used to analyze market trends and develop more accurate predictive models. In marketing, data science can be used to analyze customer data and develop more effective advertising strategies. In sports, data science can be used to analyze player performance data and develop more effective game strategies. The possibilities are endless, and as more and more data becomes available, the importance of data science is only going to continue to grow. To put it in a unique and interesting way, think of data science as a detective story. You have a large set of data that contains clues, but it's up to you to figure out what those clues mean and how they fit together. Just like a detective, you'll need to use a combination of analytical skills and creative thinking to solve the mystery. In conclusion, data science is a field that is essential for anyone who wants to work with data and gain insights from it.